Paul. Yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting for somebody to enforce the laws of the United States. I woke up this morning and I wasn't in a hotel. In fact, I got to thinking about I spent all my money yesterday going to Port Townsend and now I just have $1.37. Oh, I'm a little concerned because I thought I had explained that it violated the Constitution to issue court orders where the parent isn't given any due process. It's one of those situations where now I'm really in it. I spent $5.50 getting to Port Townsend and back yesterday so you could violate my privacy. Obligate me to have a personality assessment, and then I get back here and I have no bus pass, no bus tickets, dirty laundry. I'm almost out of tobacco and papers, and my cigarette rolling machine is starting to break. I have a lot of problems today. Now, I'm not very happy that you didn't enforce the law yesterday. You remember that statement in one of those videos? I've never had any problem with the law. But it seemed that you have a problem with the law because you don't enforce the law. Now, the law allows for me to have victims' rights. Did somebody actually say that the petitioner didn't want to appear in court during the dissolution of marriage because of her fear of me? And so you decided that she had the right to not have to appear as the petitioner on February 13th of 2012? Or was it February 11th of 2012? Let's say, just hypothesize, that somebody did commit domestic violence and they were married. Yes. And somebody said, my victim's rights gives me the right to not have to appear in court. Now, you didn't give me any notice or opportunity to be heard in 2011. You arrested me in 2012, where you reissued the protection order under the guise of that I had violated the protection order, but I was found not guilty. Poach. You didn't give me notice of hearings, and then you reissued it using a minute order. And then you allowed for a dissolution of marriage, where a week later she reissued the protection order. I was found not guilty, and then you didn't remove it, and then you said that it was because of the alleged domestic violence that was committed on Guam, where she actually hit me and abducted my sons. Now, did you use the victim's rights as an excuse to not require the presence of the petitioner in court when... there's a problem with the law. Yes. I've had this experience numerous times over the last 7 years where somebody would say, well, he has knowledge of a protection order, but they don't say you have to issue the protection order according to the requirements of the law. Then somebody would say, well, I'm the victim. I ran into the courthouse on July 8th of 2011, alleging the guy was crazy. Poach. Issuing a protection order where he's not the resident of the state of Washington, then for 7 fucking years...